Sure, let's talk a bit about proof of delivery and the signatures. We talked about it in the presentation. So the signature is the most important thing because the signature drives revenue. If you've got a signature, you can invoice the customer. But also think about your delivery driver. So the delivery driver is delivering two things. He's delivering the goods that your customer has ordered, but what he's really doing is delivering the signature back to you, because when you've got that signature back, that drives the revenue, drives the invoice. So our job with Capture on the Go and solutions like it or Connect is to help those companies to capture that signature. And there's two things that we can do to help them. It's at the front end in terms of how we deliver the dispatch note, but it's also at the back end of what we do when that signature comes back in and how we help the company manage that process through. But thirdly, it's improving the customer experience, because at each one of those journeys, we need to tell the customer what's going on. So the benefit that our customers see is a much improved proof of delivery process, from the point of the documents leaving with the driver to when they come back and the workflows that we can produce. But their customers see an improved customer journey. They're involved every step of the way with communications about what's happening to their delivery. First step of that process is the integration. Well, we've nailed the integration. Many people think about this in terms of a new system. I want to take electronic signature. Do I have to bring a brand new system into my business? Well, that's complex, it's costly. The way we integrate is we take the existing print files, because if you think about it, the print file of the dispatch note has the data on it already. All we're doing is taking that existing print file and turning it through Alle Connect into the electronic forms. It doesn't matter to us what devices you want to use in the field. You may want to use phone, you may want to use tablet, you may want to use iOS, Android, Windows 10. We don't mind. Our applications run on any of those operating systems, on any devices, making it easier and more cost effective for you to choose what you want. Let's talk a little bit about exception handling. This is a very easy job when you have a straight delivery and the customer signs straight away. But if the customer has an exception, he wants to change the quantity, something's broken, then how does the driver notify the organisation? Well, using Capture on the Go technology, the driver will very quickly tell customer services that that customer hasn't accepted the delivery. Customer services can again be on the phone and make sure that the customer is happy again with what's happened, because they've just had a failed delivery. If you think about it, using our technology, it connects the driver in the field directly to customer services to once again improve the customer journey. The goods have been delivered, we've now got a signature. Well, first of all, for clean deliveries, it's very easy. The dispatch note comes back, it's got the signature on it, we match it with the invoice, send them both back to the customer, all great, you're going to get paid and get paid quicker. So what happens if you've got a bad delivery? There are many departments involved in sorting out a bad delivery. Maybe there's customer services, logistics, warehousing, sales, lots of people. Our workflow technology allows all of those departments to be notified of that bad delivery. Two things. One, it means that we can speed up the exception, we can clean up the problem of the bad delivery, but the driver gets to carry on doing his job. He can carry on delivering all the other stuff. The Capture on the Go technology allows us to kick-start that exception process, so all those departments that need to clean up the bad delivery can get on quicker than rather than waiting for the driver to get back to base. We've now got a set of documents. We've got signed documents, we've got exceptions. We can store those directly into any ECM system that you like with indexes, so that later on, if we need to talk to the customer, provide audit trails, we've got the proof that all of those documents did as part of the process. So here's two killer questions you can go out and use to find some opportunity. First one, do you need a signature on a proof of delivery to be able to invoice? And do you lose money because you can't prove that you delivered the goods? If you're asking those two questions, you'll find opportunity, and we're here to help you.